How to set YouTube video quality permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever noticed that YouTube often plays videos at 480p by default, while auto mode helps with data saving? 720p and 1080p gives a much better viewing experience. And here is how to turn off auto quality and set it to high resolution permanently. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. And once you are here, simply scroll down over to the video quality preferences and simply tap on it. Now here in this section you need to adjust some settings. So here under video quality on mobile networks, simply set the option to high picture quality, and under the option video quality on Wi-Fi, you also need to change that option to high picture quality as well. And for mobile networks, you can keep it on auto or data saver mode if you are concerned about your data uses. And if your videos keep pausing or buffering, you can switch back to auto for smoother playback. And that's it. That's how you can set YouTube video quality permanently. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.